Accredited investor. So say you're trying to raise $1 million and you can convince your whole baseball team and your softball league and your bowling club to put in $5,000 each, and you can get like 200 of these guys and you've raised your $1 million. You have now unwittingly run afoul of the law, and you should be put in jail. The SEC will come down, track you down, because you have more than 35 unaccredited investors. You can have any number of accredited investors invest, but once you have more than 35 unaccredited investors, you have broken the law. Now there's something called the Jobs Act, which has other provisions which allows larger number of unsophisticated investors to invest, but the levels they're allowed to invest is very small. It's even smaller than, say, $5,000. So you wouldn't be able to raise a large amount of money without using accredited investors.
VC Lingo. Lingo.